Finally, after 3 years' work and an expenditure of $2 billion, the atomic experts were ready to test their first bomb.
Uranium enrichment for the Manhattan Project.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Light that man had only seen from the stars.
The flash was later calculated to be brighter than 1,000 suns.
Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
In 1945, the United States of America launched its Manhattan Project to win the World War II and crowned itself as world superpower.
I have received this afternoon a message from the Japanese government. I deem this reply a full acceptance of the Potsdam Declaration, which specifies the unconditional surrender of Japan.
But right now, there's another Manhattan Project underway.
In the next few years, AI is going to change our world, not just economically, but in science and also in national defense. If they got a meaningful lead on, it will be a different world in the future. This is Manhattan Project 2.
And this time, it is happening to stop their rivals from getting their hands on one of the most important, most critical technologies in the world, microchips.
President Biden just signed a bill into law today to boost domestic semiconductor production and research.
Oil was black gold, but chips are digital diamonds.